we're going to tackle about the place, value, and numerical forms in standard, expanded, and word form. So before we begin, let me read you the learning objectives. So by the end of the lesson, students should be able to identify the place and value of a digit in a given number, demonstrate how to convert numbers into standard, expanded, and word form, appreciate the importance of numbers and place, value in our everyday life. So what is place value? The place value is the numerical value that a digit has by virtue of its position in a number.
So place value is the value of digit based on its position in a number, and it changes depending on where the digit is located. So for you to understand more about the place value, let's take for example 3,847. So the 3 is in the thousands place, so its value is 3,000. 8 is in the hundreds place, so its value is 800. 4 is in the tens place, so its value is 40. 7 is in the ones place, so its value is 7.
Example, the bag costs 1,245. So the digit 2 is in the hundreds place, so its value is 200. So for you to know more, let's see here, the 1,245 or 1, 2, 4, 5. So the 1 there, its value is thousands. So the 2 there, its value is hundreds. The 4 there, its value is tens. And the 5 there, its value is 5. So the place is where the digit is in a number, and the value is how much the digit is worth. So what is number? In mathematics, a number is a symbol or a value that expresses how many or how much of something exists. It also includes 0, which represents the absence of quantity. So now let's start with the standard form. So what is a standard form? Standard form is a widely accepted way of writing numbers, equations, or expressions to make them clear, consistent, and easy to work with. For example, the 817, 249, and the 36. So the standard form is any agreed upon commonly accepted way of writing a mathematical element so it is easy to read, understand, and work with. The exact meaning depends on the context, numbers, fractions, or algebraic expressions or equations. So for you to understand more, I have here an example. So standard form is a writing number in the usual way using digits. So for example, this notebook, it costs 87.50 pesos. So each digit has a place. 8 for tens, 7 for ones, 5 or 5 for tens, and 0 for hundreds. So you're going to name the 5th as tens and 0 as hundreds if it's placed after the decimal. So it is the usual way of writing the number using digits. So in real life connection, when we see the price 87.50 pesos on the tag in the store, it is written as standard form. So there, standard form is a number written using digits or the usual way. Now let's move on to expanded form. What is expanded form? Expanded form expresses a number as the sum of its digit multiplied by its place value, making it easier to understand the structure of the number and the contribution of each digit to the total value. For example, 800 plus 10 plus 7 equals 817. So another example is 200 plus 40 plus 9 equals 249. And 36 becomes 30 plus 6. So another example is 3,572. In expanded form, it's written as 3,000 plus 500 plus 70 plus 2, where each term represents the value of a digit. based on its position in the number. So, how to write expanded form? So, this is 6,873. So, this 6,000 hundreds, tens, and watts. Here's another example. So, this phone costs 2,368. We can write it in expanded form. So, 2 as thousands, 3 as hundreds, and 6 as tens, and 8 as watts. So, expanded form, 2,368 equals to 2,000 plus 300 plus 60 plus 8. So, remember, expanded form shows the value of each digit. So now, let's move on to word form. So what is word form? In mathematics, word form refers to writing numbers using words rather than numerals. For example, the number 245 is written in word for us 245. So here's another example. Example is 3,572 in word form is 3,500 72. So that's the word form. So now let's go back. So word form is number that help us read and write and understand numbers correctly. So in summary, place value tells the position and value of each digit. Standard form writes the number using digits. So example is 3,572. Expanded form breaks the number into the value of each digit. So example is 3,000 plus 500 plus 70 and plus 2. So in word form, it writes the number using words. So example is 3,572 in a word form. So remember, understanding these forms help us read, write, and understand numbers correctly. So that ends our discussion. Thank you.